everyone, welcome to this in-depth video review of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A truck that blends serious capability with everyday usability, so whether you're heading into the work zone or just towing the family trailer, it's worth a close look. From the moment you approach this truck, it makes its presence known. The exterior carries the bold, squared-off proportions you expect from a full-size pickup. Wide stance, muscular shoulders, high bonnet, and a bed that tells you it's ready for business. The lighting? LED headlamps, daytime running lights, and the large wheels command attention, giving it a robust but modern look. Inside, the cabin steps up. Materials feel more refined than many work trucks of the past. The seats are comfy, the front row is spacious, and the bed comes with features like tie-down points, and a cargo volume that makes it very usable. The 2026 model also gets updates in tech and convenience features, so even for daily driving, it feels good. Now, let's talk powertrain and performance, because this Silverado doesn't just look capable, it really is. The 2026 Silverado 1500 offers several engine options, so you can tailor it to your needs. On the lighter end, there's the 2.7-liter TurboMax 4-cylinder, making around 310 HP and torque of about 430 lb-ft. Then there's the 5.3-liter V8, 3555 HP, 383 lb-ft, for those who want V8 sound and feel but don't need the full grunt. At the top of the gasoline range sits the 6.2-liter V8, producing around 420 HP and 460 lb-ft of torque in certain configurations. If you go diesel, there's a 3.0-liter Duramax inline-6 turbo diesel as well. What this means in practice: strong acceleration, confident towing, and flexibility depending on how you'll use the truck. One test of the 6.2-liter V8 model showed a 0-60 mph in about 5.4 seconds. Towing capacity rises to the top end of the class, up to around 13,300 lbs in the best configuration, while payload goes up to roughly 2,000 lbs in many trims. Performance isn't just about brute power. The Silverado handles better than you might expect for such a big truck. Despite its size, it feels smaller on the road, agile, with good braking feedback. That's important if you're going to use it not just for farm or haul work, but also for regular driving. Fuel economy is the trade-off, especially in the high-power versions. The diesel and smaller engine variants help there, but expect numbers in the typical full-size pickup range. The bed is practical and built for real use. The 2026 model emphasizes cargo volume and tie-downs, making it work for both job site and weekend gear. The cab is comfortable and tech-forward. Touchscreen displays, driver assistance features, and connectivity make this truck feel up-to-date rather than just brute force. On the safety and driver assist front, you get features like blind spot alerts, collision warning, and parking sensors in many trims, so it's not being left behind. When it comes to comfort and ride, the Silverado is relatively well damped for its size. Yes, it's a big truck, so there is some body roll compared to smaller vehicles, and the ride is firmer than a sedan, but for a pickup, it strikes a good balance between comfort and capability. The seats are supportive, visibility is generous, and the cabin layout is logical. For many buyers, this means you have a vehicle that doubles nicely. A workhorse during the week, a family hauler on weekends. Unique selling points: the Silverado gives you unmatched flexibility and engine options, class-leading towing and hauling, and excellent usability for both work and lifestyle. It's not just tough, it's modern. You also get the heritage of the Silverado name, a badge that's earned respect over decades. Of course, there are trade-offs. The Silverado's size means it can be tricky to park and maneuver in tight city spaces. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, and high-end trims can get pricey. Depending on where you live, taxes and import duties could make it more expensive. And while comfort is solid, it's still a pickup. Some road noise and firmness come with the territory. If you're considering this truck, think about how you'll use it. For hauling gear, towing trailers, or weekend off-roading, the Silverado 1500 is a solid choice. If you're mostly in the city, you'll need to weigh the size and fuel use against your needs. Choose your engine wisely: diesel for towing efficiency, 2.7-liter for balanced use, or V8 for maximum performance. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 delivers a powerful, refined, and practical full-size truck experience. It checks the boxes for strength, style, and technology, making it a standout choice in its segment. If you want a capable pickup that works hard and looks good doing it, this one deserves a test drive. That wraps up this review of the 2026 Silverado. If you'd like to see comparisons with rivals like the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, or even electric alternatives, stay tuned for the next video.